Hello to the new monkey marathon. If you're not fast enough, you die, okay? You die. Is that good? Is that good? You die. But this video has to be under 15 minutes or this cannot be uploaded. Yeah! Come on.
We need the checkup. Private server. Okay. Private server off. Oh no, you went the wrong way.
Monkey marathon, guys. Guys, do not worry. This is 100% of a fake monster. Definitely, guys. Definitely. I hit my leg.
Big boy. Hey, get out of here. Big boy Chungus.
Big Chungus.
Oh my god.
Finesse, Lord.
Big boy Chungus. Big boy Chungus.
Finesse. Finesse. Here we go. Nurse.
Okay, I will try like a nail snap her. Maybe there is.
You look hot, you.
Everyone get under the bed.
Hey, yo.
Everyone get under the bed.
Yo, guys, he's coming that way to try to jump scare you. Stay this way. After this, we'll 2 more monkey marathons and do. Get juked! Get juked! Get juked! Get juked! I juked the monster! Guys, I juked him! I juked him! Still 2 more monkey marathons. You didn't have to cut me off. Giggity, giggity, giggity. Well, 1 more monkey marathon. How many people are dying?
Guys, I got him stuck.
I'm shouting. One more time and the video's gone. The video's long gone. One more time and the video's long gone. The laser goes 15-minute video. Let's go to PC. I forgot that.
Now on PC and then my heart is racing.
Hey, I'm a PC. You understand, pussy?
Now on PC and then my heart is racing.
I said my mom's PC.
Now on PC and then my heart is racing.
I'm a PC and my heart is racing. Oh shit! Okay, guys, that will be the end of the video. I'm gonna keep playing this game, gonna keep making videos, but if you want me to make another video on this, I'll put it in my comments and I'll say yes or something.